Hi there, Chris Dunning here, CEO of TechQuarters. Today I'm going to talk to you about our disaster recovery as a service solution. We've been doing this for over 5 years now, and we've got loads of customers with it implemented, and it's given them their own disaster recovery plan. What type of disasters happen? Okay, power failure, so none of your kit can boot up, none of your users can work, they might as well go home. Likewise with hardware failure. If you've got a Windows Server 2003 box, obviously you're going to be a bit worried about that because it's long in the tooth and it has no support. If it's got no support and a hardware piece breaks in it, we cannot get the software for that, and therefore that server cannot be booted up or created. You cannot run it again. You would have to get a new server. Pretty big thing going on there. Virus or malware or hacking, obviously today it's in the tip of the tongue of everybody in business. That's why you've got to keep your antivirus softwares up to date, constantly improving those and checking for all different malwares. And then the standard things like fire, water leaks and road maintenance. So these things are real, they happen all the time, particularly in the City of London. Okay, so this is your network here. This is a great example of how we can create this infrastructure as a disaster recovery as a service solution. Here's your servers. All of the data from that goes out to the data center. It replicates it mirrors the whole of your infrastructure. And by the way, some of these servers can be in Office 365 or the cloud, Azure, and we can replicate them to another data center. In the event of a disaster, if something happened to all of this infrastructure, we could literally spin you up in this infrastructure, a mirrored copy within minutes. I mean, think about that. All of your users could work from wherever they want, remotely, in the home, in a cafe, Costa, wherever you want, and they can connect to your infrastructure within minutes and carry on working. What price would you put on that? What price, if you didn't have that, think about the cost per day and how much it would cost for all of your employees just sitting there twiddling their thumbs. Think about the lost business. So definitely worth considering a nice disaster recovery solution. We're in the Microsoft Azure circle, and we're one of the top 50 Azure partners. We use Microsoft Azure as a solution to help us implement this disaster recovery for you. We can give you free consultation if you just give us a call, and all you've got to try is 0800 148 8001, or you can email us at tellmemore@techquarters.com, and we'll get straight back to you or talk to you about the disaster recovery as a service solution.